ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ ꯃꯉꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ ꯃꯉꯥ ꯁꯨꯕꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯕꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 6ꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 6 ꯍꯦꯛ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ contested kausinjage Mahadev Sauta Assam Rifle Public School bu adongi presentation duki na pagila.
Good morning everyone, this is Mahadev Sauta from Assam Rifle Public School, class 10. Today I will be talking about the quantum age and its potential as well as its challenges. First, let us understand what is the quantum age. The quantum age refers to the new scientific era, which is shaped by strange but yet powerful principles like the quantum mechanics. Now, this is just related to the industrial as well as the internet breakthrough that had led to intense development in our world. Next. Now, since it is based on the quantum mechanics, first let us understand what do you mean by quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that study about the nature as well as the matter at the atomic as well as subatomic level. Now, in this, the particle can exist at various forms at a state, which is known as superposition, as well as particles can stay connected as far as well as less distance, which is known as entanglement. Now, this principle forms the foundation of quantum technologies. Next up, let us consider the classical and the quantum computer so that we can understand the quantum computer and its principles wisely. Classical computer use bits, which can either be 0 or 1 at a time, which works step by step. However, with the help of superposition, the quantum computers can be 0 or 1 both at a time, which makes it powerful as well as accurate computing system which can compute multiple problems at a time. This makes it quite feasible in today's world to use. Now, for example, the Google quantum computer has solved a problem in 200 seconds, which may take more than 10,000 years, but if it had to be done by a supercomputer. Next up, now what we can achieve in this quantum age? Let us see what are the potential of quantum age. First of all, quantum computing can revolutionize fields like cryptography, weather forecasting, climate modeling, and artificial intelligence. Now, in medicine biology sector, it can help in the better understanding of the proteins as well as folding of the proteins, which will help in the faster cures of diseases like cancer, Alzheimer, etc. Now moving into next potentials, we have secure communication. With the help of quantum computing, we can make codes and messages which are nearly unhackable. Next up, we have artificial intelligence. With the help of quantum AI, we can process huge volumes of data at lightning speed. Now this makes it quite accurate as well as no mistakes are put in this. Now, next up, we have climate energy solution. Quantum computing can help in making better efficient batteries, which can help in the sustainability as well as environmentally friendly. Next up, moving to the next, challenges of quantum AI. We all know that with better potentials, challenges always come along. So now let's see what are the challenges with quantum AI. Now, first, technical challenges. Since quantum computers use qubits, those are quite fragile as well as require absolute zero temperature to work. Now, this makes it technically challengeable to use. Second up, since quantum computers are very, very high cost, that it is only affordable by few countries. Next, security risk. Quantum computers are too powerful that there are risk of getting the encrypted data encoded. Next, in this field of quantum computing, there are two less skilled workers to perform here, and also along with this, just like every development, there are ethical and solution or social issues may come. Just like inequalities as well as using of quantum computers in surveillance and economic control. Now let us conclude the topic. Quantum technology is quite very powerful thing that it can bring advancement in computing, medicine, communication, and sustainability. Now it's in our hand whether how we use it. Quantum can become biggest power of humans. However, if it is not handled carefully, it can become the biggest threat. Thank you.
What is classical mechanics? What is classical mechanics?
Okay. So classical mechanics refers to those mechanics which are continuing from the past. That is, it refers to those mechanics which are adopted by humans far before time. That is continuing to the day. Now, it's different from the quantum mechanics that classic mechanics.
A very simple question I want to put you. What is mechanics?
Mechanics refers to those principles which can be used by computer in many technologies. I think mechanics is those principles.
Mechanics is a branch of science. Okay.
What is the biggest technical challenge in quantum computing?
Since quantum computing use qubits which can be 0 or 1 at the same time, those are quite very fragile that it requires absolute zero temperature to work. So managing those qubits for computing is very difficult, and they can be affected just by small factor. So thus it makes it quite technically challengeable. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.